Can a woman be intelligent or ludicrously silly to spend £30, only £30, to pedicure and manicure your foot? Huh? How intelligent or how silly are the human beings intelligent enough to exist on the existence, or being ludicrously silly to exist in the most aberrant of ways? Or should I say, this is a way to make a living? Even as simplest of an insect, an ant, a virus is making a great living without having to spend £30 of scalping, ripping, cutting, squeezing, poisoning, chemicaling, infusing to get your foot and the nails in clean order. And are you fully aware that are they hygienic, clean? Those scalps and tools that have been used to scrape off your skin and so on is hygienically and medically cleansed and sanitized? Just think about it, folks. Such a twisted way of living.